Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to do faux calligraphy easy, featuring all the letters of the alphabet. Faux calligraphy, or fake calligraphy, is a good way to get started in your hand lettering journey. This video is a supplement video to the Learn Hand Lettering series that I have on my channel. I'll have the Learn Hand Lettering playlist linked in the description. In this video, I will be showing you all of the letters using faux calligraphy. So the supplies I'm going to use for this video is the Bien Fang marker pad and Crayola Super Tips. I do have a full video in the Learn Hand Lettering series on how to do faux calligraphy, but in that video, I only focused on a few of the letters in the alphabet. In this video, I'm going to show you in detail on some of the letters and then speed up through the rest. And also in this video, I'm going to be using some lettering practice sheets that I made. So this lettering sheet here, if you want to get it, I'll have it linked below. So with these lettering practice sheets, I may use one or both of these. All I'm going to do is place my marker paper over the top and just use the practice sheet as a guide to draw my letters. So there's 3 steps to doing faux calligraphy. You draw your letter, you thicken the downstrokes, and then you fill in those downstrokes. So the first letter we're going to start with is A. And I'm just basically going to do like my hand lettering style, and then I'll just apply the faux calligraphy steps to it. And so when you're first starting out, you can just do it as if you're writing your letters like you normally do, and then thicken the downstrokes, and then fill those downstrokes in. And then once you get more comfortable, you can start drawing even more advanced letters. And so once you've drawn your letter, now it's time to thicken the downstrokes. And the downstrokes are when the pen is moving down on the page. So anytime you're moving the pen from high to low, that would be a downstroke. And so to thicken it, all you're going to do is draw a secondary line to the right of your letter. So in this instance, with this A, I'm going to draw a line that's inside here, so to the left of the original line. And so you're just going to match the same angle when you're making this second line. And so then I'm also going to do that same thing with the stem of the A. And so now we have our downstroke. The third step is to fill it in. And you don't have to do this with markers. You can do this with a pen, you can do this with a pencil, anything that you have. So here's our first letter. So now we're going to go on to our next letter. So with the B, the first line is a downstroke. So the second stroke in a B is an oval. And so now I'm going to thicken the downstroke. And then now I'm going to fill in the downstroke. Now on to our third letter. So we draw our C, then we're going to thicken our downstroke, and then I'm going to fill it in. So now I'm going to continue with this process for the rest of the letters. So for the letters up here, I chose to do all lowercase, but you can also do this with capital letters as well. And so I'll show you a couple of those, and I'll use the same 3 steps to get the faux calligraphy. And also when you're doing the faux calligraphy, you can kind of take like a creative liberty, I guess I'll say. You know, if you want to kind of thicken some parts of the line that aren't necessarily downstrokes, like what I did with the crossbar of the A. This line just goes from left to right. There's no real like downstroke, but I decided to thicken this part of it just to make it look a little bit better. And this letter is supposed to be an F, but it looks like several different letters. I just wanted to show you you can do way more with the faux calligraphy letters. And so now I'm just going to draw a few more letters. Sometimes I'll thicken the part of a letter that doesn't necessarily need it if the letter looks a little uneven or heavier on one side than the other. Like with this G, I just decided to thicken that because with this and that, it just seemed like heavy. So I wanted to kind of counterbalance it. So here's again what I mean when I say you can take like a creative liberty when you're doing your letters. For the K, essentially every stroke of the letter K is a downstroke. But I feel like if you thicken every downstroke, it makes it like a block letter and makes it like too heavy. I decided to thicken only 2 of the 3 lines that make up the letter K. So this concludes the video on how to do faux calligraphy easy. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Remember to check the description box for any resources that may have been mentioned in the video. And I will also link my Learn Hand Lettering series playlist in the description, as well as a link to where you can get your hands on a lettering practice sheet. And as always, thanks for watching.